Have you ever felt like your bank is just a place to store money rather than a partner helping you grow your business? When I first started looking into Patriot Bank for my own small business operations, I wanted more than just a checking account. I needed a suite of tools that actually reduced my overhead. The standout for me has been their small business checking account. If you're managing a moderate volume of activity, you get 200 free monthly transactions, which includes everything from ACH transfers to check deposits. I found the $500 minimum opening deposit very accessible, and as long as I keep an average daily balance of $2,500, that $15 monthly maintenance fee is completely waived. For those of you scaling faster, they have a regular business checking that uses an earnings credit to offset fees based on your balance, essentially rewarding you for keeping your capital in the bank. Beyond the daily transactions, their SBA loan programs are where the real growth happens. They are a preferred lender, which means they can fast-track SBA 7(a) and 504 loans up to $5 million. I've seen this work firsthand for local owners looking to move from renting to owning their own commercial real estate with much lower down payments than a traditional commercial loan. On the digital side, the cash management suite is surprisingly robust for a community-focused bank. You get remote deposit capture, no more running to the branch for every check. ACH origination, to handle payroll or vendor payments directly. Positive Pay, a huge security feature that helps prevent check fraud by matching the checks you issue against those presented for payment. If you're a local service provider or a New York/Connecticut-based LLC, having a banker who actually knows your name while providing these high-level digital tools makes a massive difference in your day-to-day stress levels. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.